Board my Jaguar 357 tonight to show you my newest install. And that's the Marine MOB man overboard device. Comes with the head unit and your choice of wristband or neck strap. Anyway, I chose the wristband. All I have to do to activate it is push the button. Means the system's activated. It's got a battery symbol. Shows you the charge of the battery in the wristband. But with that activated and the green light flashing, the engine will start. And then if you were to fall overboard, this would sense the water and shut the engine off. If you get more than 50 foot away from the boat, it'll shut the engine off as well. Or you can manually do it just by pushing the button. Now the engine won't start. It's inoperable. Push the button here or push the button on the dash and it'll reset. Flashing green, it'll allow the engine to restart. I think it's a wonderful upgrade to the kill switch system that we used to have. Like I said, if you're to fall overboard and push the button, the engine will stop. I think that's really cool and a real safe feature to have.